Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Be yourself. Today, let's dive into the Renee's Dream Mini Makeup Kit. First, let's see the packaging. So it's look like this and has some products like kajal, perfume, lipstick, primer, and we have got this pH stick as well. So let's see. So first one I have got this. It's primer. It comes in a cute little bottle and it's called Bollywood Filter. Its texture is gel-like and I applied it on my hand and it really blends well on my skin. Now let us apply it on the face. And after applying it, instantly creates a flawless skin, and I think it does it work really well and minimizes the pore, as you know. I think first let us apply all the products and then we will review it one by one. Next one is this Renee's Madness pH stick. So the main purpose of pH stick is actually to balance the pH level of your skin, and according to this it changes the color according to the pH level of your lips. So after applying, I can see that it actually nourishes my lips really well and moisturize them properly. It's time to apply kajal. It's called Renee Hard Black Kajal Pen. Apply it. Oops, ये तो टूट गया. But still, let's apply this. So even after breaking, this was not difficult to apply. Single stroke में ये easily apply हो गया. Now it's time to take a closer look at the lipstick. It's called Hunger by Berry. Personally वैसे भी मुझे ये shade बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है because I found it perfect for the parties, evening events and many other things. Now let's apply. Its application is also quite smooth and impressive. It's bold and makes a statement without being too overpowering. I love this. Now time for the last product, and this is the perfume, जो कि हमारे look को complete करता है. And yeah, its smell is quite okay. Okay, so I've reviewed all the products of this Renee's Dream Mini Kit. अगर मैं बात करूँ इसके प्राइस की तो actually इसमें तो MRP is something around 945, but अगर आप different websites पे check करोगे तो I think you will definitely get it between 500 to 700. तो I think इस प्राइस में let's see इसके products कैसे हैं. तो अगर मैं बात करूँ इन सारे products की, so the first thing that I applied was the primer. Actually I quite liked it because it easily blended on my skin and my skin feels soft. And जो primer का काम होता है to close your pores, I think इसने काफ़ी हद तक वो किया है. So I think ये primer जो था which is Bollywood Filter, वो मुझे it was quite medium to good one, and I think I'll give it to around 3.5 on 5. Next thing that I applied was the kajal, जो कि खोलते टूट गया. I don't know कि वो क्वालिटी इशू था या मुझसे खोलने में कुछ इशू हुआ, बट अदर देन दैट मैंने उसको अप्लाई किया तो फॉर श्योर मुझे एक सिंगल स्ट्रोक में वो अप्लाई ईजी हो गया. सो विच इज़ वेरी नाइस थिंग. बट एट द सेम टाइम मुझे हल्का सा लगाने के बाद थोड़ा सा फॉर श्योर itching feel हो रही है. So I think बिल्कुल slightly a little bit. So I'll give it 3 on 5. And after that, if I talk about lipstick, so I really like the shade of the lipstick. It was Hunger for Berry, and I really like the color, so I'll give it 4 on 5, जो कि easily apply भी हो गई. And talking about the pH stick was also quite nice. एक अगर आपको casual glossy look चाहिए for a daily lip balm for just hydrating your lips, then I think it's nice. And talking about perfume, initially it was not smelling good fragrance, but later on, after applying for around 2 minutes, I started feeling the good smell out of it. So yeah, it was also nice. I'll give it 2.5 on 5. So overall, all the products was quite good because इस range में I think ये प्रोडक्ट चाहिए क्वालिटी अगर हमें मिल रही है तो इट्स क्वाइट नाइस. सो आप ये फॉर श्योर एक बार ट्राई ज़रूर कर सकते हो. अगर आपको डेली लुक के लिए चाहिए या जस्ट फॉर द टच अप यू नीड, देन फॉर श्योर आप इसको प्रीफर कर सकते हो. अदर देन दैट, अगर आप रियली बहुत ज़्यादा एकदम ब्रांडेड चीज़ें यूज़ करते हो, सो आई डोंट थिंक आपको इसके लिए जाना चाहिए, बट अफोर्डेबल रेंज में यू कैन फॉर श्योर गो फॉर इट. सो दैट्स इट फॉर टुडे. आई यू लाइक द वीडियो, एंड इफ यू रियली लाइक इट देन प्लीज सब्सक्राइब टू द चैनल एंड सी यू टिल माय नेक्स्ट वीडियो. टाटा.